Hi there, it's Claire here from My Creative Spirit with a new project to share with you. It's a new kit in my range, an album case and album cover set. Measures 2.5 inches deep, and the sample here has been altered in papers from the Sunkissed collection by Graphic 45. Absolutely beautiful, holiday themed, beach themed collection with lots and lots of pizzazz to it. So let's just show you the box or case. It's 2.5 inches deep, and I've coloured it or coordinated it in the oranges and stripies with a sticker in the centre. The box does have the oval cut out of the lid, but it also comes with the insert if you don't want to have an oval cut out in the centre. So we've got one of the stickers here that coordinates with the paper, just as an introduction to what is inside the box. So let's have a look. So I've just decorated the lid with the orange patterns and solids. And then inside we've got the coordinating album, again covered in patterns and solids, so the stripes match the box. And the bottom of the box features, we've got fish around the sides, a lovely orange paper, the fabulous turtles. Aren't they just dreamy? We all loved them. We've just made this project at my UK Graphic 45 retreat, Crafters Retreat, and everybody loved the turtles. So that's the box, and here is the album. Let's just move that, oops, out of the way. So coordinated with the case, there are instructions for the case and album set, the link to the kit, and also just the album below in the description, if you'd like to make any of them. The album set, just the album, comes with dimensions for you to cut your own covers, but not for the box and album set. So the album is landscape, has got lots of room for you to add extra photos in. It is not jam-packed with stuff before you fill it up with your memorabilia, which is always key when you're designing an album. You've got to leave room for what you're actually going to put in it. So we've got the stickers going on the front, an ephemera card. We've got one of the stickers saying "You are my sunshine" and "Life's a beach." And then inside, look at how these colours work together. Absolutely stunning. So we've got spots and flowers, stripes and flowers, but all coordinating with the stickers. Nice little ephemera card pocket here with the $1 ephemera card behind it. A wide pocket on the page for you to put lots of photos in. I've just added an ephemera card photo mat there, but lots of scope to add more. And then on this side we've got a nice deep pocket so you can put your landscape photos in, and then 2 portrait style pockets that are separate, so whatever you put in them will stay on either side. So, and then there's the smaller one here. So we've just got something in the pocket down here, but lots of scope to add more. And then flipping over, I've gone for the blue spotty, which sits really nicely on the papers that you can see from the cover. I've used a little poem. It's just adorable on the front here as the front of the pocket. The pocket's got a magnetic closure and opens up, and again, room to put photos up there or to pop things in behind that bottom band. So that one is a threaded page. And then moving over, I've used one of the ephemera cards here. We've got 12 by 12 papers here, 8 by 8 sitting there. They all coordinate. We've picked up with the orange so it matches the page before. And we've got a nice little pocket here to pop your bits and pieces. A magnetic band here so that it holds whatever you put underneath it. and a very deep pocket with a pull-out book. And the little pull-out book is has that little catch-all, so you can pop your photos in there. You don't have to stick them in, they will stay in. And the ephemera card on the front, and the stripy paper is my favourite. I love it. And that one just sits in, it sits upside down actually in the pocket to get the ribbon at the right side. And then flipping over, we have got a lovely flip out page, room to put your memorabilia under here. So quite a deep page. I did actually cut a slit along the line on the ephemera card so that you could put something in there. A band so that you can put a journaling stick behind that. And then again, we've got the blue paper coordinating with the florals, working really, really well together. And then carried on in the sticker here. So we've got the theme woven through with all the children and the sailboats and everything in the background. Now, Graphic 45 always give us a fabulous signature sheet of paper, and this one I had to use on the full page here in the album. So it's been cut down and sized to fit the page. There's no pockets or anything on there. I thought it was too beautiful to do anything with, but you could put things into inside this and just close it up. There's enough room to do that, and they won't fall out because of course it sits down by the spine there. So, but I thought that's what the collection's all about, and it was just a beautiful way of using that gorgeous paper. And then flipping over, we've got lots in here. I think they've come from other areas. A nice ephemera card, nice little pocket page with the You and Me by the Sea mini ephemera card on there. And then moving over to this, we're going to go the other way now. We've got a little place for a journaling stick, a flap that's got a magnetic closure with the ephemera card on the front. But again, you could put a photograph on there. A little catch-all at the back under the sticker to pop bits and pieces. And that deep pocket to put your larger, maybe a recipe card or pamphlets or visitor guides, all sorts of things that we collect on our holidays. And then it will stay in because there's a magnetic closure on the page. And then flipping over, we get to the turtles. I just love them. So I've gone for the 8x8 paper on this page. It works really well, and you get more of the turtles on the page. So I've used two 8x8 sheets here. We've got a little pocket, a little turtle sticker, the magnetic band to put bits and pieces under, and then a little pull-out book with room just to slide your photos in there, so you can get quite a few bits and pieces in there, whatever you fancy keeping. And then let's just slide it all back into the page. This page is a duplicate of the one that we've seen earlier on. So we've got a deep wide pocket at the bottom, a wider pocket, and then a narrower pocket to slide things into. So I could have gone on filling it up with tags and things, but actually the whole album is about you putting your photos into it and your memorabilia. So I've left the space decorated to a minimum so that you can use all of the things that you've got in your stash, add your extra embellishments, and then fill it up with your photos. And then moving on to this beautiful page at the back. I love this paper, and it just goes so well with all of the colours. Well done, Diana. It's beautifully designed, this collection. So we've got a lovely ephemera card here. Nice little flip-up pocket. Again, it's a threaded page. little ephemera card in there, but room to put a picture on that flap as well. And a magnetic closure. And then the back is actually the same as the front cover. Let's just move it so you can see. But obviously different papers. So we've got the ephemera card pocket, little sand dollar ephemera card behind there, and also somewhere to slip things behind the sticker as well. We've got a little stamp up here and the larger pocket at the back for your larger photos and things that you like to keep and put in your albums. And that's it. We get to the back cover, which coordinates, and I had to put the turtle sticker strip on there because I think they're my favourite element in the album. So that's it, the Sunkissed album. There is a PDF for just the album, and then there is a PDF that shows you how, or takes you through how to decorate the album and the box. And the album and box set together come as a kit available from my website, and I'll put the link to that below for you in the description. So thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to give me the thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video, and subscribe to my channel to be kept up to date with new projects as they come out.